The new Ego Power Plus multi-tool delivers the power of petrol minus the petrol. Brought to you by the cordless specialists. A single power head drives multiple attachments, making this a very handy tool to have around. Simply select the attachment you need and get to work. With less noise, no fuss and no fumes, Ego Power Plus multi-tool is kinder to your hands, ears and the environment. This is all thanks to Ego's patented arc lithium 56-volt technology, which delivers unmatched performance and the industry's highest energy capacity in a portable handheld battery. Unlike brick-shaped batteries, where all the cells are packed together, Ego batteries are positioned in a clever arc-shaped design. This dissipates heat more efficiently, preventing overheating to deliver long-lasting power and keep you working for longer. The arc lithium battery powers the multi-tool's high-efficiency rear-mounted motor, driving each of the compatible attachments. Lightweight and balanced, the multi-tool is safe and comfortable to handle on jobs big or small. The simple, secure coupling makes it quick and easy to switch tools. Discover the powerful, versatile Ego Power Plus multi-tool, part of the revolutionary Ego Power Plus cordless system. With the same powerful arc lithium 56-volt battery, fits every tool in the Ego range. With the power you need to tackle any task. Click in the battery and you're ready to go. The Ego Power Plus multi-tool. One single power head has multiple powerful tools. Discover petrol matching power from the cordless specialists. Ego, power beyond belief.